Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today we are doing beekeeping. I am getting dressed with my father and my brother.
Now put your hands in. The other hand.
They're blue.
So this one you must understand when you open, every time when you do beekeeping, the bees' temperament is very important to observe.
And the white matches
Right?
to the blue.
Sometimes the bees can be upset.
We are going to take out some honey frames only if some honey frames full with honey and if the bees need more space. Sometimes you must be really careful. It can sting you, but it won't sting you if you just stay calm, go slow, steady. This is a smoker. It calms down the bees. You just need to press this, and then its smoke will come up. This has no chemical and it is hay. Look, my dad is trying to open the beehive.
This is the honey frame. We're taking out to see if there's honey. There's enough honey for the bees. Okay. So have a look. So these are all ripe honey. So that's a queen excluder. So that doesn't allow the queen to come up to the super. This is a super honey box. So you see, raw.
Maybe it's not going to sting me, right?
Raw. Thank them for the free injection.
Okay, please.
See, nice ripe honey. So you're going to have a good honey flow for spring.
There's no king bee, but there's only queen. The queen always lays eggs. But if the queen dies, it might take a week or days to make a new queen. Oh, just to tell you something, there's also different types of bees. Queen bees, drone bees.
This is the male bee. You want to hold the gloves? They don't sting.
Drone bees don't sting you.
They are the male bees.
Appa, what are the three types of bees named?
Queen,
Yes?
worker bee,
Worker bee?
and drone.
Yeah.
So you see, there's empty frames. It means there's enough space for the bees to store honey.
Can
That's
I
good.
feel?
You can hold.
It's very light. But if this, we'll show you at the end of the video how a honey looks like when it's already harvested. We have a ginormous bottle. Is there any male bees?
No.
Any male? My father has been stung at least more than 100 times.
How about you?
I've only been stung one time.
Ants will come for the honey in the hive as well. See? But the bees will take care of it.
Is that a male?
No.
The worker bee.
See, she's friendly. After the bees.
You should not cross there because as you can see the bees are flying that way. So it's like some cars coming and someone will just go walk over. Lot of times. Can I tell you something really funny? At the old house, but then we moved to this house, and then when we were out somewhere, my dad was checking on the bees, and then he accidentally dropped that one whole box down, and then bees went and there was a swarm, and then he ran all the way like minutes over. And then he has been running and all the bees chasing him. He's like, run, run, run. That was super funny. Please like, look at my channel and see more of my videos.